Assalamualaikum. My name is Nushakira Andira binti Ahmad Nizam. Me and my team will present our group assignment on the impact of mass production productivity, complex manufacturing systems, and competitive advantage on quality assurance manufacturing process at T.H.Mineral Water, Perlis. The extract for this research is we can see that nowadays the mass production and complex manufacturing system and competitive advantage have a relevant role in the quality assurance manufacturing process for the TH Mineral Water companies. So in our opinion, the most important objective for the quality assurance manufacturing process is the realization for complex manufacturing at mass production productivity and competitive advantage. This aim only can be reached by creating quality assurance in manufacturing process. So introduction for this company is TH Mineral Water is the main mineral water that based in Perlis. TH Mineral Water is supplying mineral water like Staco Mineral Water, and also they're also supplying Star Crystal drinking water. TH Mineral Water is Perlis influenced by mass production, complex system, and quality management, which all play the important key role in improving its quality assurance and staying competitive in the mineral water industry.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to my lecturer. Now I will explain about our lecturer review, which is focused on two equity improvement approach. First, DMAIC from Six Sigma and the PDCA cycle. On the left side, we have the DMAIC approach, which includes the 5 main steps. First, define. This is where we identify quality issues such as bottle capping errors or product contamination. Second, measure. We assess production data and performance to see how serious the issue is. Third, analysis. Using tools like the fishbone and Pareto diagrams, we find that the root causes of the problem. Fourth, improve. We update SOPs, provide staff training, and calibrate the machine. Fifth, control. Finally, we conduct regular audits to maintain the improvement and make sure the problems don't return. On the right side, we have the PDCA cycle, also known as plan, do, check, act. Plan. We detect issues such as high COD level. Do. We apply solution like charging SOPs or adjusting machine setting. Third, check. We monitor result using logs and feedback. And lastly, if the solution works, we standardize it for long-term use. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now I will present about the methodology. So let's begin with our research approach. We adopt a qualitative case study method that focusing on TH mineral water industry located in Perlis. This method was chosen because it gives us deep real-world insight into how quality assurance and quality management are implemented on site, especially in a complex environment like manufacturing. Okay, next we will look at the overall design of our research. Our study was organized into 4 key phases. The first one is data collection, data analysis on the second, the third is interpretation of result, and the fourth is validation. Each phase focus specifically on the quality assurance and quality management process along the production line, such as water sourcing, bottle cleaning, filling, and packaging. Due to limited direct access, we rely mainly on secondary resource. Our main material include the company official website, certification like HACCP, GMP, and Halal, customer reviews, articles, and published research, visual contents like image and videos of their operation. We also prepare an interview protocol in case direct access became available later. Now let's talk how we analyze the data. We use thematic coding to organize our finding into key quality assurance and quality management categories like control of raw materials, equipment, equipment hygiene and maintenance, process standardization, final product inspection, and method for continuous improvement. This helps us the full picture of how quality is maintained throughout production. Finally, we assess how the company align with global standards. We benchmark their practice against international certifications such as ISO 9001, HACCP, and GMP. We evaluate each stage of production from water extraction to storage to distribution. For example, bottle washing is done according to HACCP standards while product filling follow GMP procedures. This shows a strong commitment to maintaining high quality production standard at every step.
In conclusion, our key findings show that T.H.Mineral water already adheres to important standards like GMP, HACCP, and Halal certificate. The company used automation to reduce contamination risk and apply quality tools like DAM, AIC, and PDCA for ongoing improvement. However, we also identify some challenges. Manufacturing complexity is increasing, yet there is still a lack of live QA data and full transparency in internal control. While the current QA foundation is strong, it must evolve and adapt to the future demands and expectations. With the right strategy in place, T.H.Mineral Water can strengthen its competitive edge while maintaining high quality standards. Now moving on to our suggestion and improving the quality management process in T.H.Mineral water. Firstly, we can recommend implementing real-time quality monitoring. By shifting to a digital QMS for live tracking, the company can respond quickly to issues like water quality or packaging defect. This will ensure efficiency and product safety. Secondly, we suggest enhancing process optimization using tools like VAMIC to resolve bottleneck and applying PDCA for continuous improvement, such as in the bottle sterilization or chemical dosing, can boost process consistency. Third is crucial to strengthen workforce involvement. Regular training and quality mix-up can empower employees, increasing ownership and ensuring consistent standard across operation. Fourth, improving supply and process control is vital. Conducting stricter audits can using SPC tools like control chart and CP or CPK analysis will help monitor and maintain supply quality. Lastly, we encourage stronger leadership involvement. When the top management actively support QA initiative and reward continuous improvement, it drives a quality-focused culture through the organization.